Okay. Hi Renuka, how are you?
Sir, fine. What about you?
Oh, I am very fine. So Renuka, we'll start with the introduction part first of all. Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, sir. Before I want to intro about myself, I want to thank you for you and for your company that you gave the opportunity to me. So myself, Renuka Devi. So I'm from Tamil Nadu. So my native is Tiruchirappalli. So I'm pursuing BSc Computer Science final year. Then some of my hobbies are playing badminton, reading psychological facts, drawing, etc. Then some of my interpersonal skills are I'm the good communicator, I'm the advisor, and I'm user friendly in nature. Then my short-term goal is to get selected in your companies, and my long-term goal is to get good position in your company. So that's all about it.
Okay. So Renuka, my first question to you is that you are a computer science engineer, graduate. So why do you
Yeah.
want to go in sales background? You have ample options in your domain, in computer science domain. It is a growing field. IT industry is a growing field nowadays. So why do you want to shift to a sales altogether, which is totally different field from your field?
Yes, because I'm literally, frankly speaking, I'm a little bit weak in a technical field. Now only started studying a technical field. I'm just thought I'm not good in technical field. So I'm just thought I want to go to sales field because during second pandemic time, so I just did one business. It is a network marketing business. So in that business, it also like Byju's product. What they are saying is that business only. So I just did that business. So I just earned about nearly 20,000 per month. So I just then I left the business because of the final year. So here and in my college they started giving pressure to me for the project and everything. So and then I left the off. So I just then only I thought that okay, I'm just having the skills in giving sales to the person. So then so only so.
Okay. So Renuka, have you tried in any other company? Because in sales also we have multiple companies. Vedantu is there, White Hat Junior is there. There are multiple growing companies also. So why only Byju's?
Sir, Byju's, I'm already get to know about the Byju's company, sir, because 2 months I just recover in YouTube. Everything is Byju's company is coming. So and it also very educational, like how you can say India's biggest educational app. So every students can work. So if I work also, I also be happy, and it also a good company. So and my some of my school seniors also are working in this company. So when I came to know about this company, I just eagerly waited to join in this company. So only I just tried both in offline other and in online also, sir.
Okay.
So
So
that's
do you
why
know
only
about
I want to
Byju's?
join.
What Byju's is basically? Do you know about what Byju's works? How it works and what is Byju's? Do you know about Byju's?
Byju's, I little bit I know, sir, because they are giving the education about for nearly first standard to 12th standard. Then they are conducting the courses about JEE, NEET, then IAS exam like that they are conducting. So we will learn in online. So we will learn some knowledge about the particular course or something. So that's it, sir.
Okay. So basically, I'll tell you, Byju's is basically about convincing people. So we have to sell product to people. Okay. So we have to convince people. So you have to good at convincing skills. If your skills are good, convincing skills are good, then only you can grow your good future in Byju's because it is ultimately sales. So you have to do good sales. You have to achieve targets. Then only you can grow. Okay. So I'll ask some question regarding the like sales part. Okay. So that I'll get to know that what is good in your sales skill. Okay. How good your sales skill is, convincing skills. So basically, my
Okay,
first
sir.
question to you is like you have two scenarios. Suppose if you have a rich person and the child is good in education, he's intelligent actually. Okay. And second scenario,
Okay.
there's a poor guy. He is very poor. Okay. And his child is very poor in studies also. Okay. And you
Okay.
have only one, like you have only one product to sell. You can sell to only one person. So whom will you sell? The rich guy with the intelligent mindset or the poor guy with the like not good mindset, like not good in education?
Sir, rich people, sir.
Rich people.
Yeah.
Why?
Because they are having the money, sir. Because in Byju's is expensive, sir. For paying the tuition fee is expensive, so they will pay the money easily. So the doctor or son, they will. You already said no. They are intelligent people, so they will learn easy, sir. So I will convince them. So like. How I can convince because Byju's is the India's biggest company, so we can learn from different like we can learn some extra knowledge about the practical way of life. Then it was also have as a contents of 3D animations and visualization. So from that we can understand more and we can get the knowledge and we can implement in our real life future self. So we can get we can be in the good future time. So that's why I
But
will
Renuka,
convince
I
them.
told you
So
that the student. Yes, yes, go ahead, go ahead.
sir, so okay, sir, you see.
Okay, so I told that I already mentioned that the rich guy has already good knowledge, like he is good in education, and the poor guy
Okay.
is bad in education. So don't you think that
Yeah.
the poor guy which is lacking in the education, we should help them despite of helping the guy who is good in education?
No, sir. In poor guy, they don't have much money. No, sir. We can't get able to convince them easily. No, sir. So by this will, so I just thought provide the loan. No, sir.
We have multiple policies of loan also. It is not that you have to pay in one shot only. We have multiple policies in which you can pay in monthly EMIs. You can pay the amount in EMIs. So why not the poor
Okay.
person? Because they need Byju's. They are in need of Byju's, and maximum people like invest in the education part because they know that education is mandatory thing. The poor guy
Yeah.
already has money and he knows everything. Okay, so he can take the knowledge from anywhere because he has multiple sources. But
But
think about the
he,
poor guy.
yeah, sir. You're right, sir. So the poor guy don't have anything. So we have to give the opportunity to them to
Exactly.
just yeah. You're right, sir.
Okay, so got my point. Why what I'm saying? You got my point.
Yeah.
What I was trying to
Exactly. I
explain.
got your point.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
sir.
cool. Second situation is there. Tell me one thing. Like suppose I am living in Kashmir. So try to
Okay.
sell me a air condition because you know Kashmir is already a cold place. So
Yeah.
there no one takes air condition. So try to sell me air condition in Kashmir.
Air conditioner.
Yes.
So air conditioner, sir, we can sell the air conditioner by telling like that because mostly in that place is always a cooling place. So
No,
mostly
suppose I am your
people are
customer.
in, okay,
Think of it, I am your customer and you are a salesperson. Now sell me a air condition. I am from Kashmir. Try to sell me a air condition.
air conditioner. Hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine, Renuka.
So I'm from the Byju's. I'm from the Byju's company. So I want to tell about my product. So I have the best product in our company. So it is a air conditioner. So in your place, it's not applicable or it's not no
Required.
one can buy this. So why I'm, yeah, it's not required also. So for this I'm telling you because I want to I'm telling you to buy this because it is not like other air conditioner. It has the, we can change the mold, we can control the temperature also because you already just live in the place where it's too cool. So if you want to have the cold in some like in normal temperature, you suppose you have to 2 minutes, you have to be in the only one room. Suppose you have to be in the one room, you have to sleep or you have to 2 minutes. We can use the air conditioner. So it reduces our it reduces our stress and it reduces our breathing problems. So then so if you want if you, some people some people don't some people get allergy in natural cool condition, but in my, for me also it's uh, not how you can say not do that. So then so for this you can use this air conditioner. So if you buy this product, we will give some discount also and you can take the EMI also. So then we will provide some suppose if buy one product also, then it's you can buy another Byju's product also, then also we will give some discounts and everything, sir. So can you buy this product?
Okay, Renuka, I'll think of it. So my next question, Renuka, to you is like suppose a student is there, he's studying from an IIT guy, a person, the teacher
Okay.
of him is a IIT aspirant. He's already cracked
Okay.
IIT and he's at good level. He's doing a job in good level, and the person is studying from that person. The child is studying from that person. Okay,
That's
so you
it.
have to
What?
tell your sorry.
What, sir? Say it
I'll
again, sir.
repeat the I'll repeat the question again. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if I am having a son, okay,
Okay.
my son is going to tuition. Okay.
Okay.
And he's taking tuition from a person who is already a IIT graduate.
Okay.
So you are coming to my house to sell Byju's. Okay. So I already have like a good education for my student, because already he's taking a tuition from IIT aspirant, right? So why should I take Byju's?
What is the difference, sir? Here Byju's we are giving more discount and we are giving special education like not other experience, because not here we are providing the Indian best teachers to teach and give more knowledge about us. So it has also have some specific speeches, like so students will learn more practically and enjoy their studies, because suppose we are studying in IIT guy or other education guy, they will just do their work and just go off. But here not like that. We will enjoy your studies also. We will understand the concepts, what they are saying in a practical real life way. So here they will also provide the 3D animations, because students always used to like that image representation other than the giving PPTs or PDF is not a matter here. So students in students life, they want to know about the more about our practical life systems, and also they want to know, and they want to be good in the future. So not like IIT, what you're saying IIT guy also is okay fine, but they will not borrow you. Suppose they will teach you just for the money, but here not like that, because parents also will be tracking your systems, because when your child is studying in a tab, your parents also will track your system, how you are learning, what you have finished here. Suppose here in Byju's, in our Byju's product, Byju's system, here they will provide daily lessons, so they will track your systems. And suppose we are giving lessons, suppose we are teaching lessons, suppose you can't able to understand concept also, they will teach multiple times in order to give you a quick knowledge about it. So when you understand the concept, when you write the test about that particular concept only, then they will move on to the other concept. Suppose you have the doubt also, it also have the particular section, so we can ask the doubt to your teachers, and then you can easily clarify your doubts, and you can also understand more about the practical, because theory paper is not a because everyone is just memorizing the concept and writing. It's not a problem, because everyone is stuck in only in practical life. So
Okay,
this
then
is
you think this way. Think this way. Suppose if my child is having a weak eyesight, you are telling my child to study from a tablet. Suppose if he's having a weak eyesight, he's wearing specs. He's having weak eyesight. So don't you think that his eyes will be damaged if he's seeing if he's seeing every time, if he wants to study, he has to see the video. So every time he'll use the phone, he'll see the screen. Don't you think his eyesight will be damaged
no.
by this?
So in Byju's product, in Byju's system, we can have we can learn from any time. So he or she will learn that concept by reducing their time, and we are also providing the 3D animation, so which cannot spoil more than their eyes. So we can get the good knowledge from here. No. So because now also we are conducting, it's a COVID period situation. Now also we want to learn only from the online classes. Why can't we learn in Byju's with 3D animations? We can learn from that, no sir.
Okay, then tell me one thing. Suppose my child is in class fifth. Okay, so whenever I give him my smartphone, suppose I am using a smartphone. So whenever I give him my smartphone to study, he starts playing games. He's fond of games. He opens the game and
Okay.
he plays game all day. So suppose if you are giving a tablet to that particular child of class 5, definitely he'll play games. So what is my benefit of taking Byju's? He'll play games all the day. Then why should I take Byju's? I am not going to see, because I will be in office whole day. So I will not see what
Okay.
he is doing in the tablet. So might be he'll
So
play game whole day.
Sir, for this, I will come to your home and I will convince your doctor or son to, and I will tell about the Byju's system and the product, how it's all working. I will also give the demo of the student. So if he or she saw the video of our system, means she will understand. He or she will, it's automatically interest automatically will come to our product
But
because
Renuka,
it's
tell me one
having
thing.
to.
Tell me one thing. She's a 5-year-old girl. Okay.
Yeah.
And whatever you try to explain her, she'll listen that time. But again, after half an hour, she'll be like that only. She'll start playing game. So for half an hour, she'll remember things that, okay, ma'am has said something to me. I'll learn this and I'll remember things. But after half an hour, she'll be like, okay, leave all this. I'll play games. I'll do my way. So what about that? You will come to my house. You are saying you'll come to my house. Come to my house, no issues. But you'll explain her 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And when you go from my house, then after that what? She'll be starting playing games from next day.
So for this also we are providing the system like the system studying also will have like a games. So when we will give the give this system to her. She or him means he will just think first of all it's like a game. So he or she start playing the game. Then when he came to know about the lesson, so it become automatically. So everyone. When they start like this type of system of studying means everyone start getting interested and they want to eagerly know about the concept. So I will do like this to make her or him to study, sir.
Okay, suppose you came to my house. Okay, you explained me everything about Byju's. I am convinced to take Byju's, but I am arguing you with a single point that the price of Byju's is quite high. So how will you convince? It's like, see, I'll tell you the honesty. Like I am a parent. Okay, think of it. I'm a parent. So, ma'am, I'll tell you the simple thing that I have a child of I have my child. She's in class 5th. Okay, she is going to a tuition where I am paying 500 rupees per month. Okay. So in 12 months, I am only paying 6,000 rupees. Okay. And your course, your Byju's course, is 30,000 rupees. So it is almost 5 times of whatever I am paying in a year. So ma'am, why should I go for Byju's? She is doing good. She is getting 80-90% every year in what particular class she is. In 4th, although she got 90%. In 3rd, she got 92%. In 2nd, she got 93%. So like I am investing 500 rupees per month. And you are telling me to invest 5 times of that. So why should I invest 5 times, ma'am?
Sir, I will tell you the reason for this because I'm also did like what your son or doctor study like that because I'm also went tuition. I also paid the 500 rupees to get. I'm also scored a good percentage here. So why I'm telling like this because don't miss the opportunity here because in Byju's they are giving more knowledge about the practical knowledge about the present situation. They are just mingling with the present situation to get implement or to make them to understand the real time concepts because nothing like that because I'm also just went to the tuition. I just wrote whatever I memorized. I just wrote like that only. So because of mark percentage doesn't matter. So yours and I'm also got the same percentage. You also got the same percentage and your doctor or son also will get the same percentage. It doesn't matter. Going to the tuition, what is the purpose? Because they will just teach only the concepts of what they are having in the syllabus. Here, not at all like that because we will teach whatever concepts like extra concept we will know. We will know about the present and the future also because suppose your son or doctor going to be a doctor aspirant means we have to know about the real biological concept. So we will suppose we will start implementing from our lower education itself, then you will get good marks. When you attend the first attempt itself, you just clear that exam. Okay. So suppose you are just going for the tuition here, you just pass only in that exam and you get a good percentage. Then your future is zero only because what you are going to do in future. That you studied from the just 4 syllabus does not decide your future, right? So here, if you study here, you will get to know about more concepts.
Okay. So my next question to you is: suppose if I am using Vedantu, okay, and my son is already getting 90% from Vedantu, okay, and you are asking me to switch to Byju's, leaving Vedantu.
Okay.
So why should I go to why should I switch to Byju's? I'm using Vedantu, I'm using one particular application and she is comfortable. So why should I go for Byju's?
Because other apps are okay, but here we are providing more systems, like a practical system. We are giving some discount also sometimes, and we are here under more having features here, like we can learn from anytime. We can have the doubt session here, and we are parents also will practice systems here. Then
That
in
Vedantu is also
Byju's,
having. That Vedantu is also having. That particular thing Vedantu is also having. Vedantu is giving discounts. Vedantu is having doubt clearing session. Everything Vedantu is having. Then why should I
here we
switch
are
to
having 3D animation. No, sir. Here also we are having 3D animations and visualization, because every child want to learn with a fun and love. But here, not every app will do like that, because when I opened the app for the first time, I just came to know about that app. Okay, so we can learn new things from that app with having fun and love. Not every app will do like that. They will just give the some courses, just learn, just do that, so just they will take.
If I am having multiple options, then why should I hire you?
Because I'm good in sales and marketing field, as well as I'm the good communicator. So I will have the convincing power to. I'm also friendly in nature, because when I don't know, not everyone have this particular skill, but I have the particular skill to convince them people, and I already have some little bit of experience in that field, because I'm already before 1 month I already said no. I'm just done some business in that. Before in that business itself, I'm just did that business in 1 month. Within 1 month, I just convinced about 50 people. I just joined, make them to join in that company with 15 people. So I just earned nearly 20,000 in 1 month. So then when I came to know that I have having the skills, so why can't I just do here? Because not only become rigid, not having the knowledge is not the time. We have to speak to them. We have to be friendly to them, because we are just talking about to roughly or not like that. They will not like. First, we have to make them be friendly with them, and we have to make comfortable with them. So I will do the like whatever I said.
Review the interview, because we have certain teams who reviews the interview. So we'll get back to you within 2-3 days about the results, that have you cleared the first one or not.
Okay.
So we'll get back to you regarding this. So do you have any question as of now?
Sir.
Do you want to ask me something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Renuka, then thank you so much for the interview, and we'll get back to you soon. Thank you.
Yes.